Good morning, student. Today we will see class 10 chemistry chapter number 4 carbon and its compound. So, in our last lecture we have seen the branch structure of the hydrocarbon or isomers of hydrocarbon. So, I hope you understood it well. Now, we will see the functional group. So, about that functional group, I have discussed in brief while we were learning alkyl group. Yes, methyl group, ethyl group, these are the alkyl group, and while we were learning alkyl group, I have given the examples of methyl alcohol, chloromethane, like that examples we have discussed. So, which are that, what are that chlorine, bromine, iodine, fluorine, these are halogen group, and alcohol, OH group is called alcohol, and what are that? Particularly, these are called, specifically these are called functional group. That also I have mentioned. What is the mean by functional group then? We will discuss here. So, when R group is attached, R means methyl, any methyl group, any alkyl group will attach with chlorine, or any alkyl group if will attach with OH, its property will different or not. क्लोरोअल्किल की और अल्कोहल की प्रॉपर्टी सेम है क्या? नहीं है. तो ये किससे डिसाइड हुई है यहाँ पर? सपोज आई विल टेक वन एग्जांपल, CH3, that is alkyl group. I will take here CH3, that is methyl group. Methyl when attached with chlorine, then it is called chloromethane. And when it is attached with OH, then it is called methyl alcohol. As I told you, chlorine, fluorine, bromine, iodine, these halogen group are when these are attached to the alkyl group, the name in the name, these are as a prefix. These are as a prefix. And when another functional group are attached with alkyl group, these are named as a suffix. Yes, the functional group, name of functional group will be as a suffix, and the name of this functional group will be as a prefix. Always it will be. Okay. So this is the rule for this. So here methyl and chlorine, methyl and alcohol. So chloromethane and methyl alcohol, these are the two different types of hydrocarbon. Here, because of chlorine, it will show the different structure. It will show the different structure. And because of this OH, instead of chlorine, I have attached here alcohol. So the property will different or not? Yes, the property will be different. But why this property will different? This R group is same here. CH3, this is common. Still, the property is changed. Yes, are you getting? The property is changed here because of Cl. हालोजन की जो प्रॉपर्टी है यहाँ पर दिखाएगा, और यहाँ पर OH है तो अल्कोहल की प्रॉपर्टी यहाँ पर दिखाई देगी हमें. यस, अल्कोहल की प्रॉपर्टी इट विल शो हियर. सो व्हाट डिसाइड द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ हाइड्रोकार्बन? क्या डिसाइड करता है हाइड्रोकार्बन की प्रॉपर्टी? स्पेसिफिकली these functional group decide the property of hydrocarbon here. Yes, यहाँ किसकी प्रॉपर्टी? क्लोरीन ने डिसाइड की. इसकी प्रॉपर्टी अल्कोहल ने डिसाइड की. अल्कोहल है इसलिए अल्कोहल है, अल्कोहल की प्रॉपर्टी दिखाएगा. ये यहाँ पर समझ में आता है और डिसाइड हुआ है. और यहाँ पर क्लोरीन है, फ्लोरीन, ब्रोमीन, आयोडीन, कोई भी हालोजन अटैच हुआ है, तो यहाँ पर हालोजन होने की वजह से ये हालोजन की प्रॉपर्टी दिखाएगा. तो हाइड्रोकार्बन आर डिसाइडेड by their functional group only. Yes, so these type of group of atom are called functional group, and this functional group decide the properties of hydrocarbon. So we will see the functional group, different type of functional group we will see here, which are present in your 10th standard NCERT book. Yes, so have you understood what is meant by functional group? The group or the atom which decide the property of hydrocarbon. The group or atom which decide the property of hydrocarbon, these are called functional group. The group defines the property of carbon compound is called functional group. That is the definition. The group define the property of carbon compound is called functional group. So various functional groups are there and that define or that decide the property of the given functional group. So here many functional groups are mentioned. First is chlorine. Chlorine means it is belonging to halogen group. Only one example I have taken here which are common. So chlorine is common, that's why I have taken. We can take here bromine, fluorine and iodine also we can take here. Yes. Then the next functional group is alcohol and the next functional group is aldehyde. Aldehyde or ketone also. It is belonging to carbonyl group. Carbonyl group means C double bond O. This is called carbonyl group. So it is belonging to carbonyl group. Then aldehyde and ketone these are. Then acidic group. Acidic group means OE group, that is COOH. This is also one of the functional group which are used in acid. Acetic acid, what is the formula of acetic acid? R and COOH attached. Instead of OH, here will be attached COOH. So what will form here? Acetic acid. Two carbon atoms are here. How many carbon atoms? Then 2. So for 2 eth. So ethanoic acid. That will be the name. We will discuss later. Then ester group. Ester group means instead of that H atom, the H atom is replaced here by the alkyl group. That is ester group. Here aldehyde and ketone will be there also. Instead of H atom there will be R group. So these are some functional group which are that halogen, alcohol, aldehyde, ketone again. I will write down here ketone, C carbonyl group and instead of that H atom here will be R. This is the ketone. This is the ketone. Then COOH, COOR. Here the valency is incomplete here. That's why you have to write down like that. The functional group is having incomplete valency. Yes. So this functional group we will discuss here. How the nomenclature will be there, that also we will discuss. Okay. So here if we will attach here hydrogen, so what will be here? Methane. What will be here? Methane. But here hydrogen atom is replaced. How the functional group is attached here? By replacing hydrogen atom. By replacing hydrogen atom. If we replace the hydrogen atom and instead of this hydrogen atom, if reacted with chlorine atom, then it will become chloromethane. Yes. So while attaching the functional group, here one or more than one hydrogen atom can be replaced. Means all 3 hydrogen atom also we can replace here to form CCl4. Instead of CH4 we can write here CCl4 and that will be carbon tetrachloride. Tetra means 4. So carbon tetrachloride it will form by replacing 4 H atom. I will show here. If C atom is here and this is the structure of methane. You know that very well now. If first I will replace only 1 chlorine, now 1 hydrogen and write down here 1 chlorine. So what will be that? Chloromethane. Yes. Then we can replace another chlorine atom also. Yes. Now 2 functional groups are attached by replacing 2 hydrogen atoms. Again we can do one thing here. Again another hydrogen atom I have replaced here. Now 3 chlorine atom and 1 H atom is here. means 3 hydrogen atoms are replaced. We can replace this remaining 1 hydrogen atom also, and all hydrogen atoms are replaced here, and it is formed instead of methane. The structure is now carbon tetrachloride. CH4 instead of this we got now CeCl4, means all hydrogen atoms are replaced by 4 hydrogen atoms are replaced by 4 Cl atom. So here we can replace one or more than one hydrogen atom and we can attach functional group there. Okay. So the group which replace the hydrogen atom, it is called heteroatoms. Heteroatoms. What is meant by hetero? Hetero means other than hydrogen here. Hetero means other than hydrogen. Hetero का मतलब ही होता है कि दूसरा कोई तो भी. तो यहाँ पर दूसरा कौन है? ये फंक्शनल ग्रुप दूसरा है, और पहले तो हाइड्रोकार्बन था. हाइड्रोकार्बन में से हाइड्रोजन को रिप्लेस करके ये फंक्शनल ग्रुप अटैच हुए. तो ये दूसरे एटम्स को क्या बोलेंगे? हेटेरो एटम्स. क्या बोलते हैं? हेटेरो एटम्स. एंड these hetero atoms are having specific property here. देखा ना हमने, ये हेटेरो एटम को एक स्पेसिफिक प्रॉपर्टी होती है. ये क्लोरीन को एक अपनी प्रॉपर्टी होगी, ब्रोमीन को एक अपनी प्रॉपर्टी होगी, आयोडीन को एक अपनी प्रॉपर्टी होगी, फ्लोरीन को भी एक अपनी प्रॉपर्टी होगी. मीन्स ऑल हैलोजन विल हैव different type of property. But instead of chlorine, if we will attach the hetero group OH, it may be atom or group of atom. Yes, we discussed before. So group of atom is OH. So OH is here hetero atom because it is replacing H atom. That's why it is called heteroatomic group. And here the property of that OH is different. Hydroxyl group is there. The property of hydroxyl group is different, and that will decide the property of this hydrocarbon. Yes. So these heteroatoms or heteroatomic group having specific property. That is very important point. And this specific property will define the carbon compound. The property of carbon compound. Yes. I hope you understood what is meant by functional group. In our next lecture, we will see how the functional group will attach to the alkyl group, and they will make the different type of hydro compounds here. Hydro compounds with functional group. Okay, and what will be their nomenclature? It is a very interesting topic. Yes, if you understand, if you will understand this well, then you will understand the nomenclature also of that functional group. Okay, thank you.